Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up Steam on your PC, step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite browser and type Steam into the search bar. It's usually the first link, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Steam homepage, you'll notice a button in the upper right-hand corner that says Install Steam. Yes, that's the one. Click on it and you'll be directed to the download page. On this page, you'll see another big Install Steam button. Just click on it and the download process will begin immediately. Once the setup file has finished downloading, double-click on it to run the installer. Follow the installation steps as shown in the video. It will guide you through choosing your installation directory, agreeing to terms, and more. The whole process is pretty straightforward, but if you're stuck at any point, just pause the video and follow along. After the installation is complete, open Steam. Now, this is where you'll need to create your account if you don't already have one. Don't worry, it's super easy and completely free. Look for the Create Free Account option. You'll find it right below the QR code on the login page. Click on it to proceed. Next, fill out the form with your email address, choose your country, and complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once you've entered all the details, hit the Continue button. Now, check your email inbox. Steam will send you a verification email. Open it and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. You'll now be prompted to set up a username and password. This is what you'll use to log into your Steam account moving forward. Pick something memorable but secure. Once that's done, log in using your new credentials. As an additional security step, Steam will send a confirmation code to your email. Enter that code when prompted and you're all set. And there you have it. Steam is now successfully downloaded, installed, and set up on your PC. Before wrapping up, let's take a quick look around. On Steam, you'll find an enormous library of games ranging from action to adventure, puzzle to strategy, and much more. You can even connect with your friends and join multiplayer games. Congratulations on joining the Steam community. Now it's time to explore. Download your favorite games and start gaming like a pro.